5 ways to make money online from 5 ways to make money online from anywhere. How great can it be to sit around at home, your favorite coffee shop, or even out in the middle of a park and be able to work? This is something that is possible, and with only an internet connection and a laptop can be done easily by anyone. Some of the top 5 ways to make money online are so simple that they are often overlooked. First, you can search around for a place to sell your skills. If you are great at typing, this is perfect because there are literally thousands of data entry jobs that are available. The problem that you need to overcome to make money today is to look for legitimate offers that actually pay. This means that most likely you will need to apply with a company. However, this does not mean paying a fee to get jobs. Second, there are places where you can upload video reviews of products. These are great, you get paid for the review itself, plus you can make money today from the page views that each video receives. This is definitely worth a mention because in just a few minutes a day you can make a lot of money by the end of the month. This is definitely worth of being on our 5 ways to make money online list. Third, if you enjoy talking or writing, look into blogging. While this is not something that will allow everyone to strike it rich, there are several bloggers all around the world who make comfortable 6-figure incomes just from the advertising they receive by blogging. This is an incredible field of money if you are talented and manage to find a hot topic and can write well. Fourth, writing can be submitted to various places online. There are some great websites that accept content written by people where you can make some great money. Some places pay for only page views, while others pay for pieces up front. This means that if you are able to be paid from page views, your income is practically unlimited. Search around, there are numerous companies around online that will allow you to make money today. Fifth, the last stop on our 5 ways to make money online list is being a virtual assistant. Think a secretary that works online. This is something that is great for people with good research and people skills. Your time is spent answering emails, doing research, compiling reports, and assisting your boss with anything they need, all from your home. Some bosses require phones, most just require project management software and a computer with internet connection.